to himself. The other animals in the forest were desperate for some water to drink and bathe in, but no matter how hard they tried, they could not get the selfish fox to share his secret with them. The fox was very cunning indeed. However, greed is a vicious thing, and nature decided to teach him a valuable lesson one day.
Please give a round of applause to the pupils of One Gentleness in their performance of The Story of Running Water. A long time ago, in South America, the fox was the only animal who knew where the water was hidden. He kept it secret from all the other animals in the forest.
No one shall know where the water is. It's mine, and mine alone. I shall guard it so that no one else can have it.
The other animals had nothing to drink but honey. They were always thirsty. We are slow and sluggish because we need to conserve our water, but we are so very thirsty. One day we shall just stop moving altogether. We need a shower. Where's the water?
I shall not tell you where the water is. Never!
Look, we're all dry and scaly because we're always so thirsty.
I shall not tell you where the water is. Never!
One day, the fox went into the forest by himself. He thought that no one had seen him, but the birds saw him with their sharp little eyes. Look, it's the fox. I'm sure he's going to where the water is. Let's follow him. They followed the fox secretly as he went deeper and deeper into the forest.
At last, the fox came to a clearing in the forest. He climbed up some rocks, and there at the top was the hidden pool of water.
Lakes and rivers, seas and streams, we are nature's gift to all living beings. We are here to satisfy man's needs. The birds watched quietly. First, the fox had a drink. Next, he took a bath.
The birds then jumped into the water, startling the fox.
Wait, who are you? How did you find my water?
The birds ignored him and simply splashed around in the water.
Stop splashing, all the water will escape.
The birds started flapping their wings while splashing around the water. They flapped so hard that water began to trickle out of the pool.
Stop! The water is escaping. My water is escaping.
The fox reached out and tried to stop the water from trickling out, but with every desperate attempt, more water flowed out.
You can't stop the fox. All nature taking its course. We are silent givers. We never take. So stop being selfish for humanity's sake. The water in the pool flowed out and filled the rivers and streams.
From that day on, the animals were never thirsty. They can drink and bathe whenever they like in the water.
That was how rivers and streams were formed.